Good evening. It's Wednesday, April 6th, and thank you for joining me for my forecast. So chilly, but not quite as cold this evening compared to the past couple of nights. One of the reasons for that, our wind direction is changing. We're heading over towards some southwest winds. These are going to carry on for tonight and for tomorrow, helping to bring in some milder air. Let's take a look at our weather systems map. So there's a low pressure system currently situated over top of the Great Lakes. The warm front from this low is going to be sitting north of the Maritimes by the end of tomorrow, and that's going to be putting us in those steadier and even gusty south and southwest winds, helping to bring in some milder air up from the eastern U.S. and into our region. So let's take a look at a forecast model moving forward. And yes, talking about some snow, this is for tonight. Light snowfall amounts in the forecast for New Brunswick, mostly in the range of 2 to 5 centimeters. So maybe a little bit of brush work needed in the early morning hours of Thursday. Additionally, you'll want to watch out for some slippery spots on the roads. There may be a few flurries that drift through the southwest of Nova Scotia after midnight tonight towards Hants County, Cumberland, Colchester counties, and for Prince Edward Island, but amounts there at the most look like it'll be around 1 or 2 centimeters, so essentially a coating. As we head towards midnight tonight, that cloud cover continues to build in for all 3 maritime provinces, showing up here in through the blues. That is that snow spreading very quickly across New Brunswick overnight. Now, temperatures warm in the morning hours, enough to turn that snow over to showers and periods of rain for much of the south of New Brunswick fairly quickly, though some periods of snow may hold on to northern parts of the province to the late morning hours or even near noon. After that, further periods of rain for New Brunswick. Mostly cloudy skies tomorrow in Prince Edward Island, Nova Scotia, with a few isolated showers. Wind gusts for both of those provinces, though, for the afternoon and evening between 40 and 60 kilometers per hour. Cloudy skies, showers, and patches of fog carry on for all 3 maritime provinces Thursday evening and Thursday night. And then we have a round of rain moving through on Friday. And this rain is going to be bringing in some general amounts of 15 to 30 millimeters with it. Additionally, winds are going to be increasing into Friday morning. Some gusts of 40 to 70 kilometers per hour in New Brunswick, highest along the Bay of Fundy coastline. Potentially some gusts of 50 to 80 kilometers per hour for coastal areas of Prince Edward Island and Nova Scotia. Be careful about some higher than normal water levels down around parts of the coast and some rougher surf. Low temperatures in the forecast tonight between -4 and -1 across New Brunswick. For Prince Edward Island, most low temperatures will be around -3 or -2. And across Nova Scotia tonight, low temperatures are going to be in the range of -4 to -1 for the mainland. A little bit colder for Cape Breton tonight, between -8 and -5. High temperatures tomorrow, beginning in New Brunswick. We're looking at highs eventually in the late afternoon and evening hours between 6 and 9 degrees through the north of that province. Central and southern parts of New Brunswick between 7 and 10 degrees. You might want to have the umbrella with you for tomorrow. That snow is going to be turning over to those periods of rain and showers. For Prince Edward Island, a few isolated showers throughout the day. Milder temperatures between 7 and 9 degrees. And a look at our high temperatures for Nova Scotia has Cape Breton getting up to near 6 degrees in late afternoon. Inland areas around the Minas Basin, like Truro, for example, near 11 degrees. And parts of the Annapolis Valley tomorrow may be as warm as 10 to 14. Here's our outlook moving forward. Let's talk about the end of the week and the upcoming weekend. So for New Brunswick on Friday, periods of rain in the forecast. Temperatures are going to be cooling down on Saturday, and that means a light mixture of both some showers and wet flurries is expected. Additionally, we may see some further periods of snow to end the weekend on Sunday, as we're going to catch a little bit more in the way of some colder air. However, temperatures are going to be recovering through the first part of next week, especially on Tuesday and Wednesday, both of those days with a chance of April showers. As for Prince Edward Island, our next 7 days, rainy and windy conditions on Friday. Rainfall amounts of 15 to 20 millimeters. May linger as an early morning shower Saturday morning. After that, a mix of sun and cloud for the rest of the day. Cooler air moving in for Saturday and for the end of the weekend on Sunday. So a mixture of showers and flurries in the forecast. A mix of sun and cloud to start next week on Monday, and a returning chance of showers on Tuesday and Wednesday. For Nova Scotia, scattered showers for tomorrow, turn over to rain for Friday, along with some windy conditions, 20 to 30 millimeters generally in that rain. Those are some higher local amounts, and downpours not out of the question. Saturday morning, there may be some showers that linger around Cape Breton and the northeast of the mainland, and then it's a bit of a break before some rain returns Saturday evening and night. Turns over to a mixture of some showers and wet flurries on Sunday, followed by a mix of sun and cloud on Monday. Temperatures warming up for Tuesday and Wednesday of next week.